Okay, I just met these two guys at the top of Mount Evans. This is Ron and Ehab. Ehab, you're from Egypt?
Yeah.
And you're from Colorado?
Yeah, natively from Taiwan.
And they just rode their bicycles the whole way to the top of Mount Evans. What's that like?
Well, it's brutal. Yeah.
What's the elevation here?
14,200 feet.
Wow.
Yeah.
I got tired driving up here, and they rode their bikes up. That's pretty impressive. Mm-hmm. Now, how do your brakes hold up on the way down? Or don't you know yet?
So actually, I've been down here before. You have to watch out for the the potholes and the cracks. But it's gotten better than years back when I tried it. I used to do this bike race, climbing back up here, and you would not even stop, and you have the pros coming from behind, and yeah, that's really something.
Right.
A little bit less, yeah.
This is my wife, Melissa.
Hey, how are you?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
It's Ron and Ehab.
Ehab, yeah.
Ehab.
Took some pictures of you on the way up.
Did you? So yeah, what do you think of them riding their bikes all the way up there?
I could have done that.
Well, I think it really puts things in perspective.
Yeah.
Just seeing, up here, I guess all your troubles are down there.
Yeah.
You can leave it behind.
It saves you a doctor visit, because if you can make it all the way till here, you don't need to see the doctor for a very long time.
So very cool, guys.
Okay.
We are at the summit of Mount Evans in Colorado, and we stumbled upon did you ever see those spy videos on YouTube? They're testing this car, I guess, to see how it does at higher altitudes. Everything's blacked out and taped off. No idea what it is. I'm guessing Nissan, Toyota maybe, I don't know. I don't know. Some of the people up here are saying it's a GM.
It's a Chevy or some sort.
Yeah, it could be a Chevy badge underneath that.